I keep this video under 1 minute. It's not a tutorial. Basically what I did is I loaded using Windows, General Editors, Content Browser. I loaded a Bifröst fluid scene into my view window. In this case, the primitive morph.ma. It took a few seconds until it loaded into the scene. Then what I did next was middle mouse drag the camera here. It's called primitive morph render cam. Middle mouse drag it into the scene, so that's what you see. That's what they want us to see and appreciate that scene. Then I started to work with that scene just to analyze what's in there, and found that it just doesn't update. It's the performance is so poor because of the delicacy of the Bifröst simulation in here. Then I decided to go to Bifröst Fluids and create a cache to disk. That's what I did, and that's what you see dotted in blue here. This blue stripe here is basically cached, and even with a cache, frame 39 currently, it takes ages to scrub from one frame to another. So let me jump back to say 25 sort of. It doesn't update. It takes its time. It's basically impossible to work with this scene even on a machine which is quite high power, the machine I'm currently using. So I mean, this is delicate what we see here, and it's beautiful really, and Bifröst is a beautiful module, but it's not workable. You cannot work with this scene here on a normal machine under say 2,000 euros. So I wonder when the time comes when these things here happen more fluently. If the cache is not updating properly in real time, what is working at all in this scene here? Okay, well done by the guys who developed that scene. No offense, but I wish it could be performing better, and I wanted to state that you're not alone if you have real-time problems with Bifröst. Bye.